Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Reni Yulianti, majoring in Public Administration at the Sunan Gunung Jati State Islamic University. I will present expansionary fiscal policy in the United Arab Emirates. Let's start the presentation. What is expansionary fiscal policy? Fiscal policy is a policy originating from the government that affects the economy through changes in government spending and revenues. The main objective of the issuance of a fiscal policy is to determine the direction, goals, targets, and priorities of national development as well as the nation's economic growth. An expansionary fiscal policy is a fiscal policy that purposes to increase economic output. At that time, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister, in his capacity as ruler of the Dubai Emirate, revised Law Number 20 of 2020 concerning the general budget of the Dubai government for the 2021 fiscal year with a total expenditure of 57.1 billion dirhams. This budget comes in connection with the extraordinary economic conditions for the 2020 fiscal year and the COVID-19 pandemic crisis, which is adversely affecting the global economy. The 2021 budget affirms that all means are in place to deal with the crisis, restore the pace of economic growth, strengthen support system, social benefit, and basic service, and adopt more appropriate policies to achieve a balance between growth, economic stability, and financial sustainability in the medium and long term. By continuing to develop revenue and spending efficiency, in addition to increasing the level of private participation. In the 2021 fiscal year budget, Dubai continues to pay attention to social, health, education, and cultural services, as well as investing in infrastructure service for the Emirate, making it one of the best cities to live in the world. To achieve this, the Dubai Strategic Plan 2021 is a basic pillar for Dubai to continue its journey towards the future. The Dubai Strategic Plan 2021 is a fundamental pillar for Dubai to continue its path towards the future and shows that the government is implementing programs that achieve reforms, economics, and finance, as well as initiatives to diversify the economic base. Meanwhile, Arif Abdul Rahman Ali, Executive Director the Ministry of Finance, General Planning and Budgeting, estimates that the preliminary 2021 forecast shows GDP growth of around 4%. This budget applies a more precise policy in achieving a balance between growth, economic balance, and financial sustainability in the medium and long term. The Dubai government's budget announcement for fiscal year 2021 with an expenditure volume of 57 billion and 114 million dirhams represent a clear message to the business community that Dubai is pursuing an expansionary fiscal policy, which will have great confidence in the Emirates economy and contribute to attracting more direct investment. This budget serves the needs of population growth and the benefit resulting from organizing Expo 2020 and sustainable infrastructure development and support for achieving all the objectives set out in the Dubai 2021 plan. This budget allocation is divided into four. Firstly, for the interests of infrastructure, transportation, and sustainable development with a funding allocation of 41% of total expenditure, which shows the Emirates' seriousness in leveraging future investment. Project support, entrepreneurial interests, and a better incubator environment for various projects. Second, there is an expenditure of 31% of total government spending on the social development sector in the fields of health, education, housing, care for women and children, as well as the adoption of reading development initiative, software preparation, and interest in youth and sports. Third, the government interest in the security, justice, and safety is manifest in allocating 22% of total expenditure to support and develop it and be able to carry out its role professionally and proactively, so that it becomes one of the proud sectors in the world thanks to the progress and prosperity of the Emirate chosen as the destination of choice for tourists and those who want to work and find out. And fourth, the Emirates is also very concerned about and supports the public service sector, government excellence, creativity, innovation, and scientific research by allocating 6% of total government spending to develop performance and consolidate a culture of excellence. Innovation and creativity, the effect of which emerged during a pandemic. Dubai government is in the first position in the world in remote work and transforming services to smart services. That's all from me. I'm sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.